Honourable Odey, chairman of the Cross River House of Assembly Committee on Public Accounts, has emphasized the importance of effective governance at the local level, urging newly elected council chairmen to align their policies and programs with those of Governor Bassey Otu. This call to action is aimed at ensuring that the expectations of the grassroots are met and that the state continues to strive under the leadership of Governor Otu. During a recent familiarization meeting with the council chairman at the Assembly's complex in Calabar, Honourable Odey congratulated the newly elected officials on their successful assumption of office. He described their emergence as a reflection of the people's wishes, highlighting the significance of their roles in representing the interests of their constituents. The primary objective of the meeting was to enable lawmakers to familiarize themselves with the local government chairman and provide guidelines on regulations and conduct while in office. Honourable Odey seized the opportunity to stress the importance of discharging their responsibilities efficiently and effectively, emphasizing that his committee will work closely with them to enhance accountability and transparency. In his address, Honourable Odey also commended Governor Bassey Otu for providing an enabling environment for the state to flourish. He acknowledged the governor's achievements in various sectors, including security, infrastructure, and welfare, noting that these accomplishments have earned Governor Otu a reputation as a household name in the hearts of Cross Riverians. Key areas of focus for council chairmen: 1. Aligning policies and programs. Council chairmen must ensure that their policies and programs align with those of Governor Bassey Otu to achieve a unified approach to governance. 2. Effective governance. Council chairmen are expected to discharge their responsibilities efficiently and effectively, prioritizing accountability and transparency. Thirdly, addressing constituent needs. Council chairmen must strive to address the yearnings and aspirations of their constituents, ensuring that their needs are met and their interests are represented. By emphasizing these key areas of focus, Honourable Odey's call to action serves as a reminder of the importance of effective governance at the local level. The need for council chairman to work diligently to justify the confidence reposed in them by their constituents. Thank you for joining me in this segment. I am Joseph Iyaji. Please don't forget to share this with others. Thank you.
Àkàìtú tọ̀síyá o, àkàìtú tọ̀sẹ̀mí lọ. Òbí alágbàtọ́, àkàìtú tọ̀sẹ̀mí lọ.
Ṣẹ́gun níbo ló tún ti ń bọ̀ báyìí? Ó ń bọ̀ láti ibi táwọn ọmọléèwé ti ń ṣoríire ní. Níbo tún nìyẹn o? Ọ̀dọ̀ àkàìtú tọ̀s tí ìjọba ti lù ló ń tẹ̀ ní. Èmi lọ gba fọ́ọ̀mù 2020 JAMB form, WAEC form, NECO form, JUPEB form àti PEDIGREE form ni o. Wọ́n kún fún mi ní àdírẹ́sì wọn. Wọ́n wà ní nọ́mbà 67 ìdojúkọ Odùduwà college Ilé-Ifẹ̀. Mo rò pé inú Odùduwà college wọ́n wà tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Rárá o, iwájú rẹ̀ wọ́n wà. Kódà ilé ìgbé wà fún àwọn ọmọ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tí ọ̀nà wọn jìn. Kódà ẹ̀kọ́ ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ní àkàìtú tọ̀s. Ṣẹ́gun ọ̀fẹ́ràn mi. Dákun ọ̀rẹ́ mi má bínú. O lè pe àkàìtú tọ̀s sí 08038644328 tàbí kó kàn sí wọn ní www.akainews.com. Kò burú, jẹ́ kí n pe àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó kù kí àwa náà lọ jẹ nínú àǹfààní yìí. Àmọ́ ṣé gbogbo àwọn fọ́ọ̀mù yìí ti jáde lọ́dọ̀ àkàìtú tọ̀s ni? Má lágùn jìnnà. Pè wọ́n sí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ 08038644328. Wọ́n ó dá ẹ lóhùn kíákíá ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Àkàìtú tọ̀sẹ̀mí lọ.